Hello mga lakwatsero, good evening everyone. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Ormoc. Katatapos po lang namin mag-dinner. At naglakad-lakad kami dahil plano namin pumunta ng Ormoc Park. But look at this. Parang uulan, umaambon. Kaya nagdadalawang isip kami kung pupunta kami doon o hindi. But we will try. Kung if this rain won't stop, then we're gonna go home. Okay, let's try. Let's go. Now, since hindi pa naman malakas yung ulan, ambon-ambon pa lang, we're trying to get closer to the fountain. Kasi meron silang fountain dito ngayon. Ito yung pinaka-attraction nila sa Ormoc City. Yes, sinusubukan naming pumunta dito. Yeah, let's. Hello. Tingnan natin ngayon. Kasi nakapunta na kami dito before. Kasama namin si Hillary. But since Hillary is not here, try to take a video para pakita natin sa kanya. Look at that! Oh, di ba ang ganda? Ito ang fountain ng Ormoc City. O, di ba? Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Hello. Aray, inubo ata ako sa lamig. There, look at this. Ito yung Ormoc. Sorry mga kabagaan, ako ay inubo. Look at this. Look at that. Ang ganda, diba? Sayang wala si Hillary. Hillary is... Where's Hillary right now? Hillary is in Higatangan. Kaya kami lang. Kasi we're going to Cebu tomorrow. So nag-sleep over muna kami dito sa Ormoc City. Kasi we're trying to explore the city. Let's come over here. Naglakad-lakad muna kami bago kami umuwi papuntang hotel. Kasi since maaga pa naman, naglibot-libot muna kami. What do you think about Ormoc City? Do you like Ormoc City?
Well, it's a nice place to pass through.
You know this is one of your plan to live here, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yes. So what is that over there? So some kind of restaurant establishment.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's a restaurant there because that's a Hotel Alejandro. Ano yan? I forgot. Oh, Don Felipe Hotel. This one is one of the establishment here closer to the park. Okay, so let's take a look. Ayun yung pineapple nila. Oh. Yes, because I think they have that kind of pineapple because Ormoc is famous in pineapple. They have many pineapple plantation plant here, so they're exporting pineapple all over this region, I guess. So I think that's the Astrodome. Yun ata yung Astrodome nila eh. Yes. This is the life of Ormoc City. Ito yung nightlife nila here. So what do you think? We're heading back to our hotel, or you still go around? Okay. Henry said we're going back to the hotel kasi umaambo na rin eh. So we're going home. Just one look for the fountain, then we're going home. See? We're looking around. Ayan, may patrol car sila. So at least you're safe walking around kasi meron silang patrol car para sa kanilang peace and order. Ito yung Don Felipe Hotel nila that never been there. I hope mag-stay ako dito for a while. But I don't know kung magkano ang rate nila dyan sa Felipe Hotel nila. So, yun lang. Then, good night guys. Bye-bye.